Let us talk about the ultimate financial trap designed specifically for your attention span. Buy now, pay later. It sounds innocent enough. You see a pair of $200 sneakers, but instead of handing over 200 real dollars, a slick app offers you 4 easy payments of 50 bucks. Your brain, wired for immediate dopamine, registers this purchase as costing only $50. But math does not care about your feelings. You just committed your future self to 4 mandatory payments for something you could not afford in the present. Now multiply that logic across your entire lifestyle. You buy clothes on Klarna, concert tickets on Afterpay, and takeout food on installment plans. Before you realize it, 20 different small monthly deductions are quietly draining your checking account before your paycheck even lands. The apps call it 0% interest, which is technically true until you miss a single payment. Then the high penalty fees and hidden interest rates kick in, silently destroying your credit score before you even apply for your first real apartment. Modern financial apps are not your friends. They are multi-billion-dollar algorithms engineered to remove friction from spending money you do not have. When you pay with physical cash or a debit card, your brain feels psychological pain. Buy now, pay later erases that pain, tricking you into thinking you are living rich while quietly bankrupting your future. Here is the golden rule of modern survival. If you cannot afford to buy it twice in cash today, you cannot afford it. Stop financing a lifestyle to impress strangers on the internet. Uninstall the installment apps, set up a simple high-yield savings account, and start keeping your hard-earned money in your own pocket.